Ameena sat quietly on the rooftop. The sky was a soft blue, but her eyes were heavy with sadness. A cup of tea rested in her hand, cold, untouched. Her thoughts wandered back to a small village in Pakistan, where she was born, where her story had begun. She remembered her mother's warm hands serving dal chawal, her father's gentle smile when she first mentioned Ravi's name. Those memories felt like another lifetime. She had met Ravi in college, two young hearts drawn to each other despite the invisible walls of religion, nationality, and history. They fell in love, not just with each other, but with the idea that love could overcome borders. Against all odds, they married. The families were upset, but Ravi and Ameena built their own world. Small, imperfect, but filled with warmth. They had two children, Ayan and Noor. Over the years, their home blended Eid with Diwali, Urdu with Hindi, biryani with poha. It wasn't just a house. It was hope, alive. But now that home stood on shaking ground. A government order had come. Foreign-born spouses from Pakistan must return. No more visa extensions. The cup fell from Ameena's hands and shattered on the floor. Her eyes welled up with tears. Ravi rushed in, concerned. She looked at him and whispered, "My parents are gone. My home is gone. Who is left for me in Pakistan?" But this wasn't just her story. It was the story of thousands. Women and men who crossed borders in the name of love, who built families, raised children, and then one day were told, "Go back." At the dinner table, Ayan slammed his hand down. "Why can't she stay? She's our mother." Noor clung to her tightly, whispering, "Ami, who will make kheer on Eid if you go?" Ravi sat in silence, his eyes moist, his heart helpless. The train station was quiet that morning. A heavy fog drifted as Ameena, Ravi, and the children walked slowly to the platform, a small bag in her hand, and a lifetime in her heart. As the train approached, farewells turned into sobs. Ravi held her hand till the last second. When the train moved, only her dupatta remained in his grasp. From the window, she looked back, as her entire life faded into the distance. She arrived in Pakistan. The platform was loud, but she felt completely alone. No one came to receive her. No familiar faces. Just a place that used to be home. In other cities, similar scenes unfolded. Women stepping into a land they hadn't seen in decades. Men saying goodbye to wives they may never see again. Children holding on to memories instead of mothers. And in the background, a voice. Soft, pained, but clear. Governments draw borders on maps, but it's human hearts that carry the burden. Lines may separate lands, but grief speaks the same language. In the smoke of the train, love was lost once more. Humanity, once again, was defeated. Love has no nationality. Compassion needs no visa. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Family Vault, and also press the bell icon. Please like and share as well.